Hyderabad has steadily grown into one of India's most significant air cargo hubs, and we have been at the heart of that growth. Now, that momentum takes its next major leap with the launch of Cargo Terminal 2, spanning over 16,000 square meters, with a built up area of nearly 12,000 square meters and a handling capacity of 50,000 metric tons per annum, scalable to 1 lakh. Connecting North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa to enable seamless cargo movement across global markets. This is where ambition meets capacity. As Hyderabad grew into one of India's most critical pharma manufacturing and perishable goods centers, the demand for reliable, high-capacity air cargo infrastructure grew with it. Cargo Terminal 2 has been built precisely to meet and lead that demand. An integrated terminal built to handle domestic and international cargo seamlessly, all under one roof. But infrastructure alone doesn't move cargo. Precision does. Here's how it plays out from truck to tarmac. A consignment arrives by truck, offloaded by forklift, weighed, and screened through one of the largest X-ray machines. It is then segregated by type and moved on multi-level racking systems for optimized cargo storage. Once cleared, it is loaded into a unit load device, wrapped, placed on a dolly, and moved directly to the aircraft. A fully temperature-controlled pharma zone with advanced cutoff and continuous monitoring systems ensures the safety and integrity of every temperature-sensitive shipment. A dedicated cold room maintains precise conditions for the most critical cargo, from vaccines to biological samples. Paired with dedicated import and export zones for international cargo and designated inbound and outbound zones for domestic cargo, the terminal features segregated processing areas and parallel build-up and breakdown capabilities, allowing for more efficient storage, faster clearances, and reduced dwell times. And sustainability is built into every layer. Energy-efficient lighting, optimized HVAC design and insulation, and resource-efficient building materials that minimize energy consumption across the facility. Cargo Terminal 2 is built to move what matters at the speed the world demands.